The Boeing B-52 Stratofortress is an American long-range, subsonic, jet-powered strategic bomber. The B-52 was designed and built by Boeing, which has continued to provide support and upgrades. It has been operated by the United States Air Force since the 1950s. The bomber can carry up to 70,000 pounds of weapons and has a typical combat range of around 8,800 miles without aerial refueling. History and development. For more than 60 years, B-52s have been the backbone of the strategic bomber force for the United States. Between 1952 and 1962, Boeing built 744 B-52s in a total of 8 versions, designated A through H. The B-52A was primarily a test version. It was the B-52B that entered service in the U.S. Strategic Air Command as a long-range nuclear bomber. Though originally intended to be an atomic bomb carrier capable of reaching the Soviet Union, it has proved adaptable to a number of missions. The B-52 Stratofortress has had a significant impact on military aviation since its introduction. During the Cold War, the aircraft served as a critical part of the United States' nuclear deterrence strategy. It was also used extensively during the Vietnam War, where it was employed in both conventional and strategic bombing campaigns. There are 72 aircraft in inventory as of today, 58 operated by active forces, 18 by reserve forces, and about 12 in long-term storage at the Davis-Monthan AFB Boneyard. The Air Force currently expects to operate B-52 through 2050. Features and capabilities. In a conventional conflict, the B-52 can perform strategic attack, close air support, air interdiction, offensive counter-air, and maritime operations. The B-52 Stratofortress is a massive aircraft with a wingspan of over 185 feet and a length of over 160 feet. It can carry a wide range of ordnance, including nuclear weapons, conventional bombs, and missiles. The aircraft is powered by 8 turbojet engines, which give it a top speed of over 650 miles per hour and a range of over 8,000 miles. The B-52 is also highly maneuverable, despite its size. It can fly at high altitudes, making it difficult for enemy defenses to track, and it can carry out precision strikes using GPS-guided munitions. The aircraft also has an advanced radar system, which allows it to detect and track enemy targets from long distances. It is highly effective when used for ocean surveillance and can assist the U.S. Navy in anti-ship and mine-laying operations. In 2 hours, 2 B-52 can monitor 140,000 square miles or 364,000 square kilometers of ocean surface. The B-52 pilots wear night vision goggles to enhance their vision during night operations. Night vision goggles provide greater safety during night operations by increasing the pilot's ability to visually clear terrain, increasing the peacetime and combat situational awareness of the aircrew, and improving their ability to visually acquire other aircraft. In the coming years, the Boeing B-52 Stratofortress is expected to carry some of America's most advanced weapon systems, including some of the first operational hypersonic missiles. Hypersonic weapons are capable of traveling at sustained speeds in excess of Mach 5, making them all but indefensible with the most modern of air defense systems. Weapons payload. The B-52 with a weapons payload of more than 70,000 pounds is capable of carrying the most diverse range of weapons of any combat aircraft. The nuclear weapons capacity includes 12 AGM-129 advanced cruise missiles, 20 AGM-86A air-launched cruise missiles, and 8 bombs. The conventional weapons payload includes 8 AGM-84 Harpoon missiles, 4 AGM-142 Raptor missiles, 20 AGM-86C conventional air-launched cruise missiles, 12 joint standoff weapons, 12 joint direct attack munitions, and 16 wind-corrected munitions dispenser. And the B-52 Stratofortress was the first aircraft to be equipped with the Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile. It can also deliver 51,500 pounds, 301,000 pounds, and 202,000 pounds Navy mines. Engine and performance. The first version, B-52A models were equipped with Pratt & Whitney J37P1W turbojets, providing a dry thrust of 10,000 pounds force. And the latest version, B-52H Stratofortress, has 8 Pratt & Whitney TF33P3 turbofan engines, each providing more than 17,000 pounds of thrust. The 8 engines of the B-52 are paired in pods and suspended by 4 pylons beneath and forward of the wing's leading edge. Careful arrangement of the pylons allowed them to work as wing fences and delay the onset of stall. The aircraft has 10 internal plus 2 external fuel tanks with a capacity of over 181,000 liters, which provide an unrefueled range of more than 8,600 miles. The turbofan engines increase the unrefueled range and provide the aircraft with the capability to strike a target located anywhere on Earth. The best version of B-52 Stratofortress can climb at the rate of 31.85 meters per second. The maximum speed is 1,000 kilometers per hour. The range and a service ceiling of the B-52 are 16,000 kilometers and 15,500 meters respectively. It can reach a maximum altitude of 15,200 meters. It weighs approximately 83,200 kilograms, and the maximum takeoff weight is 220,000 kilograms. Today, the B-52 remains a critical part of the United States Air Force's arsenal. It has been upgraded several times over the years, with the latest variant, the B-52H, featuring advanced avionics, engines, and weapon systems. The aircraft is expected to remain in service for several more decades, making it one of the longest-serving military aircraft in history.